days when I wake up and I don't know what I'm doing here.
To figure out if the wooden block will float, we will need to use Archimedes' fluids principle. We have the wooden block experiencing pressure due to the water. The Archimedes principle states that the buoyant force equals the weight of displaced fluid. This is the equation for weight, being mg, and this is the equation for buoyancy, being b. We equal the two equations and cancel out variables to figure out if the block will float, buoyancy is greater than weight, or sink, buoyancy is less. First, we find the density using mass over volume. After weighing the block, the mass is 8 grams and the volume is 1 cubic inch. Therefore, the density of the block equals 8 grams over 1 cubic inch, which ends up being 8 grams per cubic inch. The density of water is 16.338 grams per cubic inch, found through the internet and through converting. Remember earlier, we found that if the weight is less than the buoyancy, the block will float. Since we also equaled those equations, if the density of the block is less than the density of water, the block will also float. Since the density of the block being 8 grams per cubic inch is less than the density of the water being 16.338 grams per cubic inch, the block will ultimately float.